Hi, my name is Hunter, and this is my partner.
Arturo.
Today, we have the pleasure in presenting our findings and vulnerabilities in the website BBB, Bikes, Boards, and Beyond.
To start off, we created a basic plan of action that includes most, if not all, possible vulnerabilities in that website.
Some of these vulnerabilities are XSS Stored, XSS Reflected, Command Injection, and SQL Injection.
The website also may contain commonly used and unsafe passwords and/or usernames, and the ability to perform harmful changes to key components of the website.
Some of these key components are the website's databases, passwords, and customer data.
To protect the website from users with malicious intent, we informed the website owner about vulnerabilities that we discovered.
Most of these vulnerabilities can be prevented with a simple sanitation of user input and usage of stronger logins.
At first glance, the website seems secured with the required username and password. However, the username admin is very common, along with an even more common password.
Straight away, after getting into the website, there is a Reset Database tab and button on this page. Simply clicking the button on the page will result in deletion of the stored database.
To prevent such things from occurring from an attack, applying a required password to delete the database should be put into place. Such password would prevent any intruder from being able to delete the database.
After getting into the website and seeing the different text entry fields, we can deduce that there are 4 possible vulnerabilities. The first vulnerability we explored was command injection.
After referring to previous projects, we inputted the website's host IP into the text entry for order forms. The output was a ping request sent to the website's IP we put in.
Taking a look at the Wireshark, the ping request is clearly seen as a post and get packet sent from the website. A simple solution for command injection is to remove the vulnerable code from the text entry field. After that, we took a look at the next text entry field.
Our next test was Xss Reflected. We started at receive order box.
We entered multiple segments of code. When ran, they displayed the desired output we inputted. We then went to Wireshark to see the packets that were sent by the request. An easy fix is to sanitize the code and not allow the input of special characters.
Next is Sql Injection. To get this exploit to work, we had to restart the website multiple times to receive the correct text entry field. After we got the right field, we were able to enter some basic code to set the user's list to always true and display.
The resulting output was a list of users on the website as well as surnames and usernames. This data could be considered private, and on other websites could contain even more private information, like passwords. The only documentation that was shown on Wireshark was a single packet that displays the output.
After Sql Injection, we began working on XSS Stored. It is very similar to XSS Reflected, but instead is stored in a database. It requires the same fix as XSS Reflected, as in not allowing special characters in the text entry field. In conclusion, all the website needs is a code sanitation and more secure passwords for users.